Looking to cook that perfect roast chicken on your Weber Q? Then this could be the video for you. Don't forget, if you can use the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. So you've bought the new Weber Q, or you own an existing Q and you haven't got the Weber rotisserie, but you want to cook that perfect chicken, and rotisserie chicken does taste amazing. I've done some videos on this using the rotisserie, but there is a way to get that moist, flavoursome chicken without using the rotisserie to the same high standard with a crispy skin. So let's jump in and have a look. So today we're going to be roasting the most succulent chicken roast you've ever tasted. Plus what I like to do is prepare my chicken before and then store it in the fridge. So let's get this chicken prepared. So today we're going to season our chicken with the Weber barbecue seasoning. It's got some amazing flavours and there will be some links down in the description below. So our chicken's in the fridge, we're going to leave that overnight and then we'll start roasting it tomorrow. Chicken's just gone on. We're going to leave that till it hits around 30 degrees and then we're going to turn it. Right, so we just turned our chicken. We're going to leave that for at least 10 minutes and then we'll turn it back. What that's going to do, because we haven't got the rotisserie, that's going to keep that chicken nice and moist. It will keep the juices flowing inside that chicken, self-baste it, and also it will stop it sticking to the rack. And it'll give us pretty close to what we would have got on a rotisserie. Well, so we've turned our chicken back, so breast face up, and it's been on for at least another 30 minutes, so it's time to get it off. Our chicken's been resting for 10 minutes. All the juices are running clear. And that looks absolutely amazing, if I do say so myself. When you cover this in tin foil, your chef temps probe will lose signal. You can hear the signal now beeping, it's just coming back. The tin foil does block the signal, so just bear that in mind when you're bringing it up to temperature. So let's get this sliced up. Don't forget, everything in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So enjoy that quick recipe, and as you can see, that chicken turned out amazing. Just for that simple, easy solution. If you haven't got the rotisserie, this works a treat. You can do this on the Weber Q, you can do it on the family Q. Any barbecue tends to keep that moisture in that chicken and it keeps it tasting amazing and self-based. Chicken turned out superb and tastes amazing. So I'd like to thank you for watching. Happy grilling, and I'll catch you next one.